good. Nothing there. And then this will be the injection pulse side. So what I want to do now is switch my test light to battery positive. And when I touch a ground, my light should light. Okay. And then for this, what we want to see is the computer firing this fuel injector. Watch the light. Go ahead and crank it. Let me zoom in on my light. You see that, Timmy?
Yes, sir.
You need to learn this test so I can walk you guys through this one over the phone. I think I've taught it to you before. This is our computer injection pulse test. Test light again to battery positive. Go ahead and crank it. Okay. So we have injection pulse, we have spark, we have fuel pressure. What we're missing is power to